How to fix Roblox internet connection problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox internet connection problem on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just type Roblox, click on it, and first click data usage, and now check all of those here. Maybe you will find it like that, just click on it, and that's it. Now just go back, and now just for stop Roblox, go back here and click for stop, and that's it. Go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.